Hello. The Tranzit Group in New Zealand is now hiring bus drivers for their organisation. About the company. We are the largest New Zealand family-owned and operated coach company in Aotearoa and a member of the Tranzit Group. We take pleasure in providing transportation services of any size that are straightforward, honest, and reliable. Tranzit Coachlines provides top-notch travel and transportation services around New Zealand, always with a smile and at very affordable rates. Job description. Job title, Bus Driver. Company, Tranzit Group Limited. Location, Palmerston North, New Zealand. Ad posted date, 18th of January 2023. Closing date, 19th of February 2023. Job type, full-time. For our Palmerston North team, we're seeking motivated and enthusiastic drivers. Permanent, part-time, and casual drivers are all needed. You can choose from a variety of roles. You might enjoy driving, be seeking extra hours to supplement your pay, or be semi-retired. You will need the following qualities to succeed in this position. Excellent interpersonal and communication skills. A positive mindset. High regard for health and safety. The ability to pass a background check. The possession of a complete Class 1 driver's license is required. Class 2 or 4 licenses are desirable. A passenger endorsement is optional because we can offer assistance to get one. We prepare you for success. Our authorized industry training assessors will provide thorough driver instruction. We have been providing top-notch transportation and tourism services throughout New Zealand for more than 97 years, making us industry leaders. Candidates for this post must be New Zealand residents or current work permit holders. Candidates will be evaluated when they apply. This opportunity can be started right away. Come aboard on the trip and move quickly. For more details and to apply online, visit the shown link in the video description below. Thank you.